Artificial intelligence, AI, is a field of computer science that deals with the development of intelligent machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we work, live, and interact with the world around us. However, as AI technology advances, concerns about the impact on jobs and employment have become increasingly prominent. In this article, we will explore how AI could replace jobs in the USA and Europe. The potential impact of AI on employment. AI has the potential to automate many jobs that are currently performed by humans. This could lead to significant changes in the labor market, as some jobs become redundant and new jobs are created. According to a study by PwC, AI could replace up to 38% of jobs in the US, 35% of jobs in Germany, and 30% of jobs in the UK by 2030. The impact of AI on specific industries. 1. Manufacturing. One of the industries that could be significantly impacted by AI is manufacturing. AI-powered robots and machines can perform tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or require a high degree of precision. This could lead to the replacement of human workers in many manufacturing jobs, including assembly line work, quality control, and machine operation. 2. Transportation. Another industry that could be impacted by AI is transportation. Self-driving vehicles could potentially replace human drivers in many industries, including trucking, delivery, and taxi services. This could lead to significant job losses for drivers and other transportation workers. 3. Healthcare. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by improving patient outcomes, reducing costs, and increasing efficiency. AI-powered machines and algorithms can perform tasks such as diagnosis, drug discovery, and patient monitoring. This could lead to the replacement of some healthcare workers, such as radiologists and pathologists, who currently perform these tasks. 4. Finance. AI has already had a significant impact on the finance industry, with the development of algorithms for trading, risk assessment, and fraud detection. This could lead to the replacement of some finance workers, such as traders and analysts, who currently perform these tasks. The potential for new jobs. While AI has the potential to automate many jobs, it could also create new jobs in industries related to AI development, implementation, and maintenance. These jobs could include software engineers, data scientists, and AI specialists. However, it is important to note that these jobs may require a different set of skills and qualifications than the jobs that are being replaced. The need for reskilling and training. As AI technology advances, it will be important for workers to adapt their skills and qualifications to remain competitive in the job market. This may require reskilling and training programs to help workers transition to new industries or roles. Governments, businesses, and educational institutions will need to work together to provide these programs and ensure that workers are equipped with the skills they need to thrive in the age of AI. Conclusion. AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries and improve the way we live and work. However, it is also important to consider the potential impact on jobs and employment. As AI technology advances, some jobs may become redundant, while new jobs are created in industries related to AI development and implementation. Governments, businesses, and educational institutions will need to work together to ensure that workers are equipped with the skills they need to thrive in the age of AI, and that the benefits of AI are distributed fairly across society.